Manage your human resource data in modern way. Make your work easy for HR employees. Track your HR data using modern tools. These includes 1. Staff dashboard, 2. Track staff to be retired, 3. Employee leave tracker, 4. Vacation day calculator. Enjoy them. Step into the future with our innovative human resource data management solutions. Simplify tasks for your HR team instantly. Keep a finger on your HR data pulse using our cutting-edge tools. Discover the ease of our staff dashboard, tracking retirements in a simple way. Navigate leave schedules effortlessly with our employee leave tracker. And planning for rest? Our vacation day calculator has got you covered. Experience the ease and efficiency of modern HR management with us. Join the revolution.